Welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation for cultivating positive energy. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Take a moment to set the intention to invite positive energy into your mind and body. With each breath, let go of any negativity and make space for positivity and light. Focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and exhale gently through your mouth. As you breathe, feel your body becoming more relaxed and open. Bring your attention to your body, starting at the top of your head. Slowly scan down to your toes, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. With each exhale, release any tension and allow your body to relax even more. Imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet, reaching deep into the earth. Feel the connection to the ground beneath you, drawing up stability and strength. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded and centered. Picture a bright golden light above your head. This light represents positive energy and healing. See it slowly descending, entering through the top of your head and filling your entire being with warmth and light. Feel this golden light filling every part of your body, from your head to your toes. As it moves through you, it dissolves any negativity and replaces it with positive energy and joy. Embrace this feeling of lightness and positivity. Silently repeat these affirmations. I am filled with positive energy. I radiate happiness and joy. I attract positivity and light into my life. Feel the truth of these words resonating within you, amplifying your positive energy. Imagine this positive energy expanding beyond your body, creating a radiant aura around you. See it spreading outwards, touching everything and everyone you encounter. Know that you are a source of positivity and light. Take a moment to think of things or people you are grateful for. It could be a loved one, a positive experience, or a simple pleasure. Allow the feeling of gratitude to fill your heart, enhancing your sense of positive energy. Gradually bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretch your body, and when you feel ready, open your eyes. Carry this positive energy with you throughout your day, knowing that you have the power to radiate positivity and joy. Thank you for joining me in this meditation.